Hi everyone. So today we have joined here for the Great Gowns live sale. So all the partywear gowns are on sale. So I have already mentioned that we have handloom gowns and ikat gowns and some Banarasi gowns as well on the sale. So we'll quickly start the sale, and I'll be just guiding you with some rules of the sale. So I'll be mentioning I have some limited quantity. Limited sizes of the gowns for the sale. So I'll be mentioning the price and some sizes as well. So whoever books first, I'll be giving them. Please don't feel bad later. So if you want to buy the gowns which I'm showing on sale, kindly do be little quick in booking the products. So because sale products will have very limited quantity. So yes, we'll get started. నాకు ఏమన్నా okay. So we'll be starting with the live. We have some handloom gowns, some Banarasi gowns and some ikat gowns as well. Okay. ఓపెన్ చేయి. అక్కడ సైజ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు నాకు చెప్పు, నేను చెప్తాను. Okay. So currently my WhatsApp number is not working. So whoever wants to book, they can message me in Instagram only for now. Sorry for the inconvenience. So this is the first gown on the sale. So this is in the dark navy blue with the pink color combination. Size ఉంటుంది చూడు అక్కడ. Size ఉందా? Size 38. So this is 38 size. So book means should we text you? Yes, you can take a screenshot and you can message me on Instagram, whoever wants to book. So all these Sungdi gowns, the original price is 2450. So on sale it is 1999. So it is just 1999. All those who book today from the live video, they'll get free shipping as well. 1999 and free shipping as well. So this is dark navy blue with the pink color combination. So this is the gown. కొంచెం ముందుకి వెనకాల pot neck చూపిస్తా. So back you'll be getting pot neck with dory. Size లేకుండా అన్నట్టు. Okay. So this is how it looks. The price is 1999. Okay. Next. Size కూడా చెప్పే. దానికి size ఉందా చూడండి. So the next one is ఇదేంటిది peach color. Dark peach color with the black color border. So this is in XS size, 34 size you will be getting. Length kuda untundi, length 54. Okay, ikkada tanu veyangane koncham search cheya. Okay, yeah, this is in the dark peach color with the black color border. So this is also in sale. The price is 1999 and free shipping. 1999 free shipping you will be getting. The size is 34 size. Next. The next one is parrot green with the blue color border. 42. So the size is 42, length will be 56. This is in the box checks pattern. So the price of all this is 2450 original price. On sale you will be getting for 1999. So this is I'm not going into the detailing, so because all of these products are already displayed and very much known to you. So the price of this is 1999. Next, 42 size. So in this we have another size kuda undi anukunta. Open check. 4458. So next we have in golden mustard color with the maroon color border. The size of this is double XL and the length of the gown is 58. కొంచెం వెనక్కి పెట్టుకో. So this is how it looks. Mustard yellow with the red color border. The size is double XL. Length it will come up to 57 to 58. It fits chest size 44. So this is how it looks with nice peacock big borders you will be getting. Yeah, here it is. Next, the price is 1999. Okay, The next one is very beautiful. All the products which I am showing now in the sale, all are best selling products only. So we have these ones in the, yeah, see how beautiful it is. So this is also in the XS chest size 34 kada. So this is in chest size 34. So I can't go into the too much detailing smart, so who are all just seeing the live. So back for all the gowns you will be getting pot neck with doris. So back side, so oksar back side pettu. So that will be the back neck for most of the gowns ala unchayi. So you will be getting pot neck with doris. Most of the gowns you will be getting, this is the back neck. Tise oka nimisham unchu. Yeah, so this is parrot green with beautiful pink color border. This is also in 34 size, XS size. The price is 1999, free shipping. Len 59. Parle. So we have our best selling product on the sale as well, which is parrot radium green with the violet color. So this also we have 2 pieces on the sale. Atu tippu bro, atu ulta tippu. So this also we have. So please don't ask for sizes. Whichever sizes I mention, only those sizes are available, and these are, some are single pieces and some we have sizes as well. So this koncham so this particular best selling one, this is also on sale. Size enti 32 kaadanukunta 34. Okay, this also fits XS size. So this comes with the elephant violet border, parrot green with the elephant violet border you will be getting. So this is also 1999, free shipping. Ikkada inko piece undi chudu, adem size rendu unnaya itla ichu idi vere. So we have another size in this. Both are XS size. Both fits XS and small size. So the price is 1999, free shipping. This. Okay, next is in silver sungudi black color. So this particular one is 2550 original price. On sale this is also 1999, free shipping. So this is in the black color. This fits 40 size, 38 and 40 sizes this will fit. So this is in the blackish grey color with the silver color border. So this comes with the full hands, full sleeves you will be getting for this. So this is how it looks. So it's a very pretty one as well with the rose peacock border. So this fits 40 size. Only limited sizes are available. This fits 38 and 40 sizes. It comes with full hands. Next is in the beautiful methi green color. Menti green. So this is also silver sungudi. It comes in methi green color border. So this is also 1999 on sale. The original price is 2550. Almost you will be getting like 500 off on this. So we have given good offer on this live product. So it will be useful for you to buy. So it's starting of Ashadam also. So we have started this sale for this. So this is in the methi green color. So this is how it looks with the silver sungudi. It comes with the full hands. The price is 1999, free shipping. This also fits 40 size. 40 size. This fits 38 and 40 size. Length is 56 for this. Next. So next is in the dark grey color with the dark navy blue color border. This looks like dark lavender shade with the black dark navy blue color peacock border. Idi kuda antena. So this comes with the elbow sleeves with 1 inch frill to the hand chupinchu. So that's the hand, 1 inch frill you will be getting for the hand. This way. So this is how it looks. This also fits 40 size. 38 and 40 size. The length is 56. The price is 1999. If you are booking in this live show, you will be getting free shipping as well. And who will be booking the next day, shipping applies. Ikat gowns. So next we have ikat gowns on the sale. రూమ్లో వెళ్ళి ఆ చివర కబోర్డ్లో ఇంకొన్ని ఉంటాయి, అవి కూడా తెచ్చేసి తెలుస్తుంది కదా. So next we have some ikat gowns are also on sale. So this fits chest size 30 and 32. It's a smaller size, so this is also on sale. So this is also 1999. You'll be getting with nice pattu border, and you'll be getting complete lining for this gown. So the length is chest size, it fits 32, and length of this is 58. This is also 1999. Original price is 2350. So on sale you will be getting for 1999. Next, next is a next is a beautiful chocolate brown color with the green color border. This is also one of the best selling ikat gown. So this comes with the full sleeves. This comes with the square neck, and the size is 40 and the length is 56. So this is how it looks. So this is the ikat pattern. So this is the neck. So the price is again 1999 and free shipping. 1999 free shipping. This is ikat cotton gowns. All these are with nice big pattu tissue border you will be getting. The size fits 40 and 38 sizes. Length is 56. Next, కరెక్ట్గా 11 కదా బ్రో అవి కూడా. So this particular best selling one is also on sale. It comes with orange and black color orange ikat with orange and black color ikat with orange pattu big border you will be getting. So this particular one is also on sale. It fits 38 and 40 sizes. The price is 2350. So this is the neck model you will be getting, eye neck model. So this is the one. This is also on sale. The price is 2350. I'm sorry, original price is 2350. On sale it is 1999. Next, పర్లేదులే నువ్వు వెళ్తాదు కానీ లేకపోతే ఇది అయిపోయాక. So the next one is very beautiful light blue zigzag ikat cotton with very beautiful blue color, light blue color big border. Okay, so this is also for 1999. So this is the ikat pattern with the zigzag you will be getting. This also fits chest size 38 and 40. The length is 56. The price is 1999 on sale. Next, so this is the next one, the lavender color with the red color big border. So this is also a very beautiful one. This also fits 38 and 40 sizes. 38 and 40 sizes. The length is 56 for this. The price of this is also 1999 free shipping. Oksaరి back neck chupinchu. So again I am just showing back neck who has joined live now. So back neck you will be getting pot neck with doris. So this is 1999 free shipping. సరే ప్రధానికి అయిన తర్వాత అలా కొంచెం వేసే ముందు. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో 1999 ఫ్రీ షిప్పింగ్. ఇది సైజ్ 36 అనుకుంటా చూడు. Okay, so the next one is in the black and yellow color with nice creamish yellow color big border you will be getting. So this is also a very beautiful one. The ikat catalog, all these all are best selling ones. So this is also 1999 free shipping. The chest size it fits small and XS size it fits. Chest size 36 it fits. Length is again 56. The price is 1999 free shipping. This is parvaledu. So next we have two handloom gowns as well. So this is one Narayanpet gown. Size and chudu 44. So we have Krishna blue Narayanpet gown we have in 44 size. it fits XL and double XL sizes. కొంచెం అట్లా పైకి పట్టుకో. So the flare of the gown is very big, so as you already know, so this fits 42 and 44 chest size, XL and double XL it fits. Length is again 56. అసలు పర్లేదు, లెంత్ ఇస్ 56. అక్కడ ప్రైస్ ఎంత రాసాం చూడు, లోపల ఉంటుంది. సో ద ఒరిజినల్ ప్రైస్ ఇస్ 2750 ఫర్ దిస్. 2250. ఒరిజినల్ ప్రైస్ ఇస్ కాదులే, తప్పు రాశాడు. ఒరిజినల్ ప్రైస్ ఇస్ 2750 ఫర్ దిస్ gowns. So these are all mesmerized gowns, so you'll have a cotton, shiny cotton fabric for these gowns used. So the price of this is 2250 on sale. Original price is 2750, so on sale you will be getting 500 off on the original price. Next. Parలేదు. Next. Okay, the next one we have another gown. Size వచ్చేసి 40 size. ఇక్కడ సర్జ్. So next we have in mustard, సరిగ్గా పెట్టు ఇక్కడ. Next we have in the golden mustard color. So this is also mesmerized cotton gowns. These are also, you have a shiny fabric. So size entiది 40. So this is also 40 size, it fits L size. So this doesn't have frills at the waist, so this is also only one piece. This fits 38 and 40 sizes. So the price of this is also 2250 on sale. It's 2250. Original price is 2750. Okay, next. So with this we are all done with the handloom and Sungudi gowns. Now we have a few Banarasi gowns are also on sale. Astula. So okay, మీ ఫోన్ వద్ద ఒకసారి ఇది ఓపెన్ చేయండి, పేజ్ ఓపెన్ చేయండి. Yeah, we have 1 2 3 4 5 Banarasi gowns on sale. So this one is a parrot green color with orangish red maroon color, orangish red color yoke you will be getting. Open say. This is nice pure Banarasi gowns with full zari weaving you will be getting. In this we have some sizes in this, like limited sizes. The original price of this gowns is 3550. అక్కడ ప్రైస్ ఏం రాసాం చూడు, సేల్ ప్రైస్ 2999. Original price of this gowns is 3550. On sale you will be getting it for just 2999. So this is the reference image for this gowns which I am showing. You can see the post as well on my feed. So yeah, this is how it looks. So this is the one in the parrot green with the orangish red color highlights you will be getting. So this is the reference image. You can ask me for the reference image as well. The price of original price is 3550. On sale you will be getting it for 2999 free shipping. ఒక నిమిషం ముందుకు పోయి చెప్తా. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్యాక్ నెక్ యూ విల్ బి గెటింగ్. అక్కడే ఉంచేసేప్పుడు అట్లా అయ్యాకు. ఓకే, ఇన్ దిస్ వీ హ్యావ్ సైజెస్. ఒకసారి సైజెస్ చెప్పవా తను కలర్ చూపించినప్పుడు. సో దిస్ ఈస్ హౌ ఇట్ లుక్స్. దిస్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఇన్ 40 size, 44 and this is 42. So we have from medium to double XL we have in this. ఇది ఓపెన్ చేయి. So this is how it looks. I have shown you the reference image as well. So we have M to double XL sizes in this. The length of the gowns is 56. So you can see the zari borders. It is Banarasi weaving you will be getting all over. So this is a very pretty parrot green color Banarasi gown with orange pattu yoke. Next. Okay, next we have a single piece kada. Next we have dark cement color with the yellow color border. So this is one of the best selling one. This also we have only one size in this. Size entadi 42 size enti పోయిందా? ఓకే పర్లేదు. 42 ఏ కదా. So this we have in the dark grey color. Me phone ivandi aa photo open chesi. This we have in the dark grey color with the yellow color border. So yeah, these looks very good when you see uh, directly than in the photos or in the videos. Yeah, so this also has the same reference image. So this is the reference image. The price of this is also 2,999. So you'll be getting 500 off on the original price. um, this is the yellow color with the nice dark gray color Banarasi buttas all over you will be getting. So this is the border you will be getting, nice Banarasi zari weaving, and this is the reference image. The price is 2,999. Next, red. Yeah, next we have in the red color, red with the yellow color combination. So this is also a very beautiful, this is like a traditional combination you'll be getting. So yeah, this is the borders you'll be getting, nice yellow color border. So body of the gown you will be getting the Banarasi weaving zari, and the border you will be getting in the yellow color, and this is the yoke part. So this is completely tissue zari weaving you will be getting. The price is again 2,999. Original price is 3,550. In this also we have sizes. చూపించేది ఏం size? So we have medium, large and double XL sizes we have in this. Sale price is 2,999, free shipping. Next, single. Okay, so the bottle green is one of the best selling, and also the before cement and yellow color combination is shown. That is also one of the best selling gown. So in this bottle green and that dark cement color, both are single pieces we have. Yeah, this is how it looks. Bottle green with orange color pattu combination. So this is the detailings of the gown. So this is the border. So the price is 2,999, free shipping. Original price is 3,550. You'll be getting 550 off on the original price. Okay, this is in bottle green size. 38. So this is medium size. The size is 38. Next. So next one is in beautiful Anand blue color combination with ala unchu adi illa chupinchaledanni, orange Anand blue with pinkish pattu color tissue combination. Next, open chey. So all these gowns will have lining provided completely from top to bottom, and double lining to the border as well. So this is in the beautiful color. This is also Anand blue color with the pinkish pattu combination. So this is how it looks. So in this we have two sizes. So all these fits in large, XL and double XL sizes. So yes, this is how it looks. The price of this is also 2,999. So all these are Banarasi gowns. Yeah, close. So whoever wants to book, they can take a screenshot and they can message. So we have limited sizes in this, and whoever books first, I'll be giving them the first priority. So we have put the gown sale to a very limited number, so we can again come up with the gown sale. So whoever likes to book the gowns now, we have given a very good sale price as well. So you can take a screenshot and you can message me of your size, and please don't do ask for the next sizes, because on the sale we'll be getting a very limited number of pieces. So hope, yeah, I'm looking forward for your messages. Please, any questions, do post so I can answer any questions. Any questions? Thank you, Gautam. Yeah, all these gowns have margin to adjust. So when I say it is 38 size, you will have margin up to 40, or either you can alter it to the below size to 36 size as well. Length can be customized. Length cannot be customized. we want big size. There are no big and small sizes, so whichever sizes are shown in the live video, only those will be available for sale. Okay. How can I order? You can just take a screenshot and you can message me so that I'll respond to you back. So most of the gowns which I have shown, all the gowns, most of them are in length 56. Only some of them I have mentioned it as 54 and 58 as well. What is the bust size for small? For small size it is 36. What is L size? L size is 40. Double XL is 44. So for backside, most of the gowns you'll be having pot neck with nice dories you'll be getting. I have shown in the video also. I'll be posting this video on IGTV. You can just scroll back and see. Repu Sunday ne kada. Yeah, obviously repu Sunday ne. There is no reselling. I'm so sorry. And any more questions? I think that's all. Would you post to Australia? For now I think Australia flights are not running, so please do message me, so I'll just get back to you. Monica, can you alter the size? If you are booking any size of 38, if you want it to 36, we would definitely alter and give you. Whatever are shown here are only the sale pieces. If you want the same piece, if you like it and you want it to get customized in your size, sale price would not be there. So it goes on the original price only. Dresses, you're wearing how much? The dress I'm wearing is 1950. So this catalog is also already posted, and it is I think 2 months back on, and almost most of them are sold out and some are available. If anybody wants this kind of dress with the full hands, I've already posted. Please do message me. I'll just assist you with that. And skirt and long tops. Skirt and short tops are coming next video. Next video is also on the saris. We have a very good Kanchipuram, different kind of weaving saris that we have seen before. That was a huge hit. So next would be saris. Kalamkari gowns. That video also we will be posting with the new catalog. We will be coming up soon with that. Pavitra. Yes, this video will be posted on IGTV. You can definitely check and order if you want to DNA. Sorry, no reselling is there. Return policy is there. For size, I assist you with the size guide, so you can choose your size of your choice. For size, mostly we would not be taking return, because we request you to choose the size of, your correct size. So mostly you'll be getting the exact fitting if you are able to make it from our size chart. So if any damages or damages or anything, then only the return policy applies. I think that's all. We can wind it up. I don't want to bore you guys for a long time. Most of the people would have bored by now. So yes, whoever wants to book, they can take a screenshot and they can message me immediately. And thank you so much. See you again in the next live with a very good collection of saris, gowns and all. The dress I am wearing is available. Okay, thank you so much. Please stay safe at home, and thank you so much for joining the live. We see a good count of people joining the live today, and thank you so much for supporting me always and encouraging me. And I have a very good set of loyal customers who have been purchasing me from a long time, and a special thanks to them also. Yes, and have a happy weekend. Thank you. Bye bye.